Good morning from Hot Springs Memorial Airport. My name is Connor, and welcome back to another Nix Aviation trip report. In this video, I will be continuing my journey with Southern Airways Express on board their Cessna 208 Caravan, from here in Hot Springs back to Memphis. If you haven't seen it already, be sure to check out part 1 of this trip report, where I flew in here from Dallas. Southern currently operates a plethora of essential air service routes within its Gulf region that do not require a TSA checkpoint. As such, airports like Hot Springs do not require TSA screening. This means anyone can walk from entrance to airplane in less than 5 minutes. It definitely makes travel a lot easier. I've been here in Hot Springs for just over an hour now, and honestly, I'm ready to get home and get some rest. So, let's get right to it. The terminal here at Hot Springs is a combination of both an FBO and an airline terminal, and it has quite the history behind it. It was built in 1946 to accommodate injured military personnel after the completion of World War II, and the airport was named after the mayor of the time, Leo P. McLaughlin. The newly constructed airport saw airline service from Hot Springs Airways and eventually Chicago Southern Airways, which became Delta, before all service was cut in 1970 due to the Deregulation Act. Throughout the 21st century, Hot Springs has seen multiple commuter airlines such as Big Sky and Seaport, before finally choosing Southern as its main air service provider. Again, the check-in process is fairly simple with Southern. The agent calls your name, tags your bag, and you're good to go. Since I'm here on a layover, however, that was not necessary for me. The terminal still remains mostly the same as when it was built, with some small modernizations of course. It's a very cool piece of history, and I'll be honest, I was kind of geeking out the whole time. Everything from the signage to the architecture made it just such a cool looking building. Now, as I mentioned earlier, there's a full-service FBO attached to this terminal, which is open to all passengers. Since there are minimal food options, we all spend our time around the vending machines in the FBO lobby. As for amenities in this terminal, we had a single drink machine, a few charging stations, the local newspaper, some books, as well as ramp views. And since we're already out here, my aircraft for this flight is November 208 Bravo Kilo, a 16-year-old Cessna 208B Grand Caravan. It still sports the maroon livery of its previous operator, Island Airlines. Southern has an open seating policy, with an exception. Due to the small size of these Cessna Caravans, passengers are assigned rows based on their weight. I was once again assigned rows 9 and 10. But thanks to the large windows on the Caravan, no view is a bad view. After a quick safety briefing, our crew ran the startup checklist. So, without further ado, we're going to taxi out and depart on time from runway 05. back pocket contained a safety card, and an in-flight magazine. Due to the small size of these aircraft, onboard service is not possible. So I would recommend buying some food and downloading a movie before your flight with Southern. But without further ado, we begin our descent into Memphis, landing on runway 18 right. Say with confidence that I had a fantastic experience with Southern Airways Express on this trip. The entire trip was so smooth and easy, every crew member I saw or spoke with was absolutely incredible, and the Cessna Caravan is an awesome aircraft. I would definitely recommend flying on it to any aviation geek. In fact, I'd recommend flying on Southern Airways Express to any aviation geek. It is such a fun airline with a fleet of awesome turboprops, and I want to try all of them. I will definitely be traveling with Southern again someday soon. A big thanks to Southern Airways Express for the seamless experience today. I would definitely do it again. And an even bigger thanks to all of you for watching my video today. I sincerely hope you enjoyed this trip report. Make sure to leave a like if you enjoyed and subscribe for more. If you did not like the video, be sure to tell me why so I can fix it in the next one. If you'd like, you can also follow me on Instagram by clicking the link in the description. Now I'm going to head home and get some much needed rest. So, I'll see you all in the next video.